Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene Akoth. I post videos every Mondays and Thursdays. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So today's video is a DIY. I did on a dress, which I turned it into two tops, but you can wear it three ways. Okay, one top you can wear it two ways, the other you can wear it just once or with whatever way. So what we are basically going to be using, we're going to be using a tape measure and scissors and marker pen. Yeah, if you have chalk that would be even better, but I'm going to use a marker pen since I don't have a chalk. First thing first, we measure where we're going to cut the top. Since it's a dress, we're going to decide where the top is going to be. So that's the first thing I'm doing. As you can see, I measured, or if I forgot to show you guys, I measured up to, I think it's 17 centimeters or feet or something, but I measured up to 17, and I decided that's where I'm going to put my top is going to end. I marked it and I cut it. So basically that's it, and I'm going to stop saying basically. So let's go on. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and watch this video till the end because I'm sure you're going to learn a lot. A lot. After marking where I'm going to cut my top, or where my top is going to end, I took my scissors and cut it into two. Okay, and cut it, not into two, and cut that place. So to separate the half and the top part. I ended up with two materials. I put the other one away and started using the first one, which I was going to use, the top one. After finally cutting the dress into half, I was left with two pieces, so I took the other part and kept it away and used the top part of the dress for my first top. So here basically what I did, I started by I did it again. I said basically, okay, let's just continue and ignore that. What I did, I started by removing one sleeve of the top. I used a razor blade here because it was much easier, but not as easy as using a seam ripper. So if you have a seam ripper, I will advise you to use it to cut out the top, because I was not trying to cut it out, I was just trying to remove the sleeve. If you get, you get. I was trying to remove the sleeve instead of just letting it be ripped or something. So that's what I did. After that, the next step was outlining my design pattern, or how I want this top to look like. So the first thing I did, I drew across, like you can see. This is the design pattern I wanted. So after that, I cut it. So after that, I cut it. I cut it into, yeah, I cut it, full stop. And voila, we were done. And that's a whole top. If you wanted, initially I just wanted, okay, let's just leave it at there. I'll explain everything about the top in the next part where you're going to see the final result. But basically that's what I did, and as simple as that. So this final top was like the easiest DIY I've ever done. So let me try and explain it to you what I did here. I did not use any, okay, I used scissors only. I did not use any machine or anything. So what I did, I laid my top down. I measured using my thumb and my index finger. I think this is the index finger, and cut my top to where my index finger reached, from left to right, and I did the same from right to left, and voila, you have your top. As simple as that. So I hope you, so hey guys, if you have reached this part, you're like the best, and I love you so much. And if you're watching and you have forgotten to subscribe, please just subscribe. So about this top, I decided like it was better if I cut out the part, because without cutting it the top was somehow bigger. So I cut it out and tied it into knots, because I thought, or I discovered, it made the top fit better, and I'm able to adjust the sizes. Yeah, I'm able to adjust it into any size, so it's able to fit anybody. So if you like this top, comment down below and tell me like which will be your favorite from the next tops you're going to see, and tell me why. And yeah, so for this final top, I decided like to wear the other top. I'd worn it as a one sleeve, so I decided to wear as a bareback. Yeah, because the material is stretchy, it fit perfectly as a bareback, and I love the product, the outcome. You can wear this top with basically anything, from a skater dress to a pant to anything, as long as you're comfortable. So let's go to the final top, which was the easiest. This is like a, this is like a tank top, a DIY tank top, which you can wear with anything. It's very comfortable and simple and nice, and it was so easy to make. I didn't have to put in much effort, and the outcome was perfect. I loved it. I hope you guys love this video. If you're new here, continue subscribing. We make very creative videos, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and turn on the notification bell to make sure you're notified every time a video is uploaded in this channel. So bye guys, love you. Mwah.